let's get started. We'll start with the first series under learning reporting with Power BI. The first series is Get Started with Power BI. So under Get Started with Power BI, let us see about an introduction about Power BI. What is Power BI? Power BI is a cloud-based data visualization and business intelligence tool from Microsoft. It is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated source of data into logical, visually and interactive business analytical insights. It helps in taking raw data from a data source, transforming it into usable data, and utilizing it to make reports and informative graphics for data analysis. Here you can see we can connect to various data sources. It can be a raw data source from Excel or a CSV or a text file, or it can be your in-house database, whether it is Access, SQL Server, or Oracle, or you name it. So you can connect to any data source, and with the help of Power BI, you can transform using the Power Query Editor. You transform this raw data and you transform them into a visually interactive reporting tools. That's Power BI for you. It aims to provide interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface simple enough for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. It enables a user to visualize important information through charts, graphs, KPIs, maps, etc., to attain valuable insights by looking at them. With these features, Power BI empower everyone to make smarter and real-time decisions. For 14 consecutive years, Gartner has recognized Microsoft as Magic Quadrant leader in analytics and business intelligence platform. So that's an introduction about Power BI. Let's move ahead